Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever sent a message on Telegram and wanted to know exactly when it was read, Telegram gives you a simple way to check that information in private chats. First, open Telegram and go to the private conversation where you sent the message you want to check. Look for the checks. A single check mark means the message has been delivered, and a double check mark means it has been read. If you want the exact time down to the minute, hover your mouse cursor directly over the double check marks next to your message, and a little tooltip will pop up showing you the precise date and time it was read. Group chats are a whole different beast. If you're managing a community or chatting with a bunch of friends, you won't see individual read receipts for every single person. Instead, Telegram uses a view counter for messages in groups. If you tap on a message you sent in a group, another thing to keep in mind is that read time is different from the time the message was sent. The sent time tells you when you originally sent the message, while the read time tells you when the message was opened and read, when Telegram provides that information. Give these tricks a try. See when your messages are actually getting noticed, and I'll see you in the next one.